Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to day 15th of 100 days of Power BI. My name is Abatan Sheriffdeen and welcome to my live stream if you're a new subscriber and welcome back if you're an existing subscriber. So, basically, on this live stream, what we'll be doing so far, what we are doing is trying to study and master the Microsoft Power BI data analytics tool over the next 100 days. And the goal is 100 days of Power BI. And so far, so good. We've been so consistent that today is day 15. Probably I took from the last live stream, which is day 14, actually took quite a lot of time to actually coming back to day 15 today. That's because I had to change my environment and move to a new place due to one or two challenges I was having in my previous apartment. So if you notice, my background is a little bit different from my previous background. So I moved to a new apartment. I'm trying to settle down and get things set up. Now, at least I am 70%, 20% set up and ready to continue my usual activities. So welcome back to the live stream one more time. And we're actually using the DataCamp platform for our data analytics challenge, which is the data analyst in Power BI. On previous live stream, I did data analyst in SQL. You can catch the previous lessons, previous live stream on the channel. If you are looking to upskill or if you don't know anything about SQL before and actually want to start learning SQL, I did a 100-day challenge just for SQL alone. So that is what bettered this Power BI challenge also, and we are back on track right now. We're actually on a case study from previous live stream. So from day 1 to day 15, which is today, we've done quite a lot of lessons. If I go on that career track, just right here, we've covered introduction to Power BI. You can see we've completed this associate data analyst in SQL. That was the first thing we did. And we're in data analyst in Power BI. So we are 21% through the whole career track. Okay, waiting for that to come up. My network is not really that strong, but it's still manageable and functioning pretty well. So from day 12, that is day 12. Definitely day 12, 13, 14, we started a case study which is analyzing customer churn in Power BI. And today's live stream will be on building dashboard and reports based on our analysis so far. So we've covered introduction to Power BI, introduction to DAX, which is basic DAX in Power BI, and data visualization in Power BI. And we're actually here, which is the case study analyzing customer churn in Power BI. And we're actually on the last part, which is visualizing our analysis. We've covered exploratory analysis of the data set. We've also done investigating churn patterns, which is the idea is the case study is based on analyzing customer churn in Power BI, which is customers leaving your business or not patronizing you anymore, or probably leaving your business for another competitor. So we did a lot of analysis in this live, which is investigating churn patterns. You can catch up on the previous live stream, that day 13 and 14, to understand this case study pretty well. So I'll just continue from here. So without further ado, let's continue to the course. Also, all the data set, exercise files, Power BI files, data sets is linked under the YouTube description. Do make sure to download the files and practice along with me. So let's continue learning from where we stop. So based on the learning journey so far, this case study actually contains 3 chapters. Which first chapter is exploratory analysis. We've covered that on day 12, and we did investigating churn patterns on day 13 and 14. So we're actually covering visualizing your analysis on day 15. So you can watch the previous live stream to understand the case study, and I left the old data set files under the description so you can download and practice also. So let's continue learning.
Hello there. Great.
Oh, let me change my speaker back to my headset real quick. Okay, yep.
Analyzing so far. Hello there. Great analyzing so far. It's time to move to the final part of the analysis. In this chapter, you'll build a series of different dashboard-style pages which in combination will tell a story. You'll be building the pages in such a way to enable easy communication of insights. In Power BI Desktop, we are not able to build dashboards, as this is a feature available only in Power BI Service. However, we can try and create a similar experience for users within our Power BI Desktop report. It's not that easy to structure an analysis piece in a cohesive way. It's not informative to publish a bunch of visualizations stored on different pages. We need to combine the information in such a way that it fits well together. Ideally, we'd like to show all insights we discovered in a few pages. Let's have a look at a way we can structure this analysis in Power BI Service. Let's start by looking at the overview page. Maybe you notice some flashy colors in the visual. That's because it's built using the DataCamp color scheme. You can create many page reports, and each should focus on a different part of the analysis. The overview dashboard or page should contain the main insights from your analysis. Just like any good dashboard, it should also be interactive, revealing even deeper insights for your stakeholders. You'll also note that this dashboard style page contains 3 main KPIs: number of customers, number of churn customers, and finally the churn rate. Let's see what happens when the end user clicks on month to month. Month to month refers to the contract type and explains the metrics for customers who are on a monthly contract. We notice the churn rate goes up to 46% and that almost 1,600 out of 1,800 churners come from this group. What an insight! When we select the 2-year contract, on the other hand, the churn rate drops to an incredibly low 2.78%. These kinds of interactions are really powerful and you should use them to your advantage. In the final section of this case study, you'll build different dashboard style pages and combine them to tell a story. You actually created 3 of the 4 graphs you see on this page already: the column chart with the churn reasons, the map with info per state, and the churners by category pie chart. While building dashboard style pages, you might discover it makes sense to build a new graph, while you already have the visualizations you need for other pages. It's time to get to work. Enjoy visualizing.
Okay, let's get our hands dirty. So we say, which of the following is not a best practice while building dashboards? It says, leverage the most viewed top left spot of the dashboard. Limit the number of visualization is not. Okay. Add interactivity so stakeholders can explore the data. So your dashboard should be usable for everyone. Don't build with a specific audience in mind. So we just go with the first one. Oops. Okay. Okay. Normally the eye of the dashboard will go from top left to right. So you want to leverage the most viewed top left spot of the dashboard. Limit the number of, so it's good to limit the number of visuals. Add interactivity so stakeholders can explore the data. Your dashboard should be usable for everyone. We have to have a specific audience in mind when building a dashboard, just to make sure we are actually telling a story to a specific set of audience. So great spotting. This is indeed a bad practice. You should always keep your target audience in mind. That way you know if you should explain, if we should explain certain KPIs, or they already have this knowledge. Okay, I think that was interesting. So let's start answering a couple of questions. Here, overview page, age bracket and groups. So they have some stuff that you could already answer right here for us. But I always love to launch my Power BI desktop myself. I always love using my local Power BI desktop, because DataCamp already has Power BI desktop interface integrated on their platform. So let's read the instruction. We follow the instruction. Usually we follow this instruction to build our dashboard or solve the challenge. It says you have been added a series of previous reports which seem to have plenty information. Your task is to collate the information for the best insight possible into data labels key concerns. So for this reason, you must create a new report to explain how the different churn categories, types of contracts, reasons, and states can affect churn. So we want to create a new report to explain how different churn category, which is the reason for the customer churning, types of contracts. So the type of contract we had was, I think, month to month, 1 year and 2 year contracts. So Sorry about that. So some subscribers actually subscribe on a monthly basis, while some were on a yearly basis, while some are on 2-year basis. And the reasons for churning was probably another competitor. We saw that already. And the state with the highest churn was California. So we did all that in the previous live stream. Do make sure to watch the videos to catch up. So load overview page. So I'm going to load some Power BI files right from here. I have that. So I've already linked all those files under the YouTube description. So do make sure to check it out. So if I go back to my data set right here. Okay. So let me just load the page. So it's going to pop up in a minute. So let me read the instruction. So once open, add a new page and rename it as overview. Then go to visualization format settings and change the canvas settings to have a width and height of 1640 by 960 pixel respectively. So let me see. Okay, this is up. So we've done this churn demo graphs, group and categories, unlimited plan, international call. So we've done all this from our previous lessons. So this was where we started. So you have access to all these files under the YouTube description. Do make sure to download them. So we've done all this previously before. So we have to create a new page. Now name the page overview. So following the instruction, once open the new page and rename it as overview, then go to the visualization format settings. Visualization format settings. Okay. It says, and change the canvas settings. This is the canvas settings here. To have a width. Okay. A width and height 1640 and height of 960. Width of 1640. Okay, I have to change it by default. I'll just set it to custom. Then this will be width of 1640. This is the width 1640. Okay, and height of 960. I think it's much more bigger now. Oh, interesting. I think it's wider and much better. We've done that. So it's time to show the information data label needs. First, we need to add visualization that can easily show total customers, churn customers, and churn rates. Go to the page report, chunk demographs, and copy the 3 visuals that display single values. So we want to add the total customers, churn customers, and churn rates. We already did that right from this churn demograph. We have the total customers, which was the count of customer ID, churn rate. So total customers, if I go to the measure for total customers, is a pretty straightforward measure. You can see this was just count of customer ID. Let me see. But we should see number of customers here. Here we have it. You can see we only counted the customer IDs to get the total number of customers for the card visual. For the churned, number of churned customers. So we actually counted some data churned. What we did was we created a new category called churned, which only has 1 and 0, which is if data label from the churn label here, we have our churn label, which is the first one here. We just churn label. So is either the customers are churned or is not yet churned. So if the customers is churned, it will have the label of yes. If not, it will have a label of no. So that is how we're able to know the number of churned customers. And we created a new column called churned using the if statement. While for the churn rate, it's simply just calculating, dividing the number of churn customers by number of customers, then we got the churn rate. So we have to copy these three visual and copy paste it here in our overview. So we have them right here. So go to the portrait and copy these three visualization that display single values. So it is very important to see the reason why customers churn and the respective percentage of total. That's interesting. So let me just rearrange this real quick. So I think we should just have the churn rate first here. We can actually name our visual, give the visual a name letter. Then we should have the total number of customers. We can actually change this from customer, the card title, category label. Like I'll change this, which is count of customers. You could just change it to total customers. Coming back to the formatting letter, then we want to have the churn there. So we know our churn rate, we know the total number of customers we have, we know the total number of customers that have churned. So if we could just compare that. Just trying to make it, I can always come back to the format of give it a shadow. I think we could just give it a shadow real quick. Let's see, size and style. We could just give it a visual border. Oh, I didn't select this also. So we can always see them. And I can do some other stuff later to it. So next says, it is very important to see the reason why customers churn and their respective percentage of total customers. Find and copy into your new page a visualization that displays the different churn reasons and the percentage of total number of customers in each group. So if we want to see the different churn reason and the percentage of total number of customers in each group. So we have our visual here called I think we see here say this churn reason. Yes, and the percentage. So this visual was actually created using, let me just look for the property here. So they actually use the churn reason and percentage of number of customers that fall in this category. So I could just copy that and come and paste it in my overview page here. Oh, I think I just love it to be below here. We don't want to bombard the visual with so much. God, I think this is cool. So we have, I would love it to have its own, sometimes to format it as quick as possible. Just what do we call this the other time? Another size and style. Oh, visual border here. So same thing here. Visual border. Let's just have that so it looks better. So if I select competitor, this is the chunk reasons competitor made better offer. If I just select it, you can actually see the number of customers that churned based on this reason. Because I think it's quite high. a higher percentage of customers churn based on this reason. Let's see, don't know. Probably, let's see. The interactivity is still weak. Let's look for commuter add better device. Okay. Because the number of all of them left. Okay, the idea is those that mention commuter add better device, all of them actually churned. So the churn rate was pretty high. The reasons for the customers churning and they're leaving immediately. Let's see. Same thing. That's quite high. For the total churn, the average churn rate is 26.86%. We are starting to make sense out of this. And one thing you should notice is that all this is based on the churn reasons. We are actually answering or creating a report based on where customers are churning. We're not actually telling other story. Probably looking for the customer with the highest monthly subscription. No, we are focusing on the churn rate, reason why customers are churning. I think that's a cool thing to take note of. So in the previous analysis, we saw that contract type and churn category have a big impact on churn. Find in one of the report pages 2 simple visualizations for the total number of customers who churn by each churn category, the total amount of customers by each contract type. Okay. He said in the previous analysis, we saw that the contract type and the churn category. Let's look at that. Contract type. Okay, this is the churn category, but the contract type. Yeah, this is the contract type. Yep. And the churn category. This is the churn category. This is the visual we are looking for. And if you look at this visual here, let me just drop it in real quick. We just added the contract type and the count of customers. You see the contract type and the count of customers. I think anything that contract type and the count of customers ID. I think after the count, the aggregate was changed to count distance. Probably if you are counting this, you are still counting the same thing. That was how this visual came about. What about this one with the churn category? It added the churn category, and we also use the count of churn label, probably the churn reason. Okay, but the aggregation, let's look at the count. The count of that is used counts of churn label. Interesting. So these are the two visuals we are looking for. I will just drop these two visuals here. I just like them to be at the top here because they are both pie charts. Oh, now we need to create more space so that the report will be showing pretty well. Probably I need to make this 3 visual a little bit smaller. Okay, formatting is not that easy. Okay, we are getting there. So I can have more space for these pie charts. I'll still have to format these two charts pretty well. No. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 categories here, which is not bad. I think we are getting there. I'll come back to the formatting later. Let's continue. So the total amount of customers who churned by each churn category, we have it here. Churn category. I think 1, 2, 3. And these are the top category, churn category. You can see churn reasons here. Churn category is quite different from churn reason, but they almost fall the same. The total amount of customers by each contract type. So we have it here. Total customers, customer by contract type. We have it here. So finally, let's remember that knowing the states was also important for the new data label international service promotion. Find a suitable visualization with one of the existing pages, within one of the existing pages. So we actually did that with the group and categories. Now, okay, international course. This was where we did the analysis of churn reason by state, where we discovered that California has the highest churn rates. And if you look at the visual, we only drop the states and the churn rate as the bubble size. Remember, we actually calculated churn rate by just dividing the total number of customers by those customers that have churned. If you look at the churn rate measure here, number of churn customers rather divided by total number of customers, which give us the churn rate. So we need this visual to actually focus on the state. I'll just copy that visual real quick. I'm gonna paste it in my. I think to be best, this visual now stays in the middle here. I'll just drop it right here. I think it's kind of cool. We are focusing on a very few story. So I kind of like this. I can actually change this visual to another type of visual. You can see we use the formatting option here. If you go to the format option under bubble size, I think what we did there was we did a conditional formatting. Yep. I'm trying to look for where we did that. So I'll probably find it later. But probably I'll create a separate video entirely on the channel analyzing showing you this how this analysis was done. I think that would be a cool video to drop. And I kind of like the canvas setting. I want to take note of this canvas setting, which is 1640 by 9600. So we've actually come to the end of this. You can see I'll just drop a very few analysis there, visual, just to convey some information. So which states has the highest churn rates for customers who have the month-to-month contract types? Answer with the state abbreviation and the churn rate percentage rounded to 0 decimal places. It said which states has the highest churn rates for customers? We know that is California. Okay, nice. It's a little bit different. So which states has the highest churn rate for customers who have month-to-month contract types? So we need to go back to our charts here and just select month-to-month contract types from this donut chart rather. If I click that, it's going to filter these states also, and I still bet you it is California with 78.79% churn rate. If I select the whole visual, the state of California is the overall state with 63.24% of churn rate. We're actually selecting those that have month-to-month, that are monthly contract type. So California is still the state with the highest churn rate, which is CA 78.79%. We have California 78.9%. Did I get that correctly? Let me take a peep. So 78.79%. Oh, that's wrong. It says answer with the state abbreviation and the churn rate percentage rounded to 0 decimal places. Okay, 0 decimal places, that is 79% then. So we're absolutely correct. So that's correct. Notice how the amount of churn customers decrease significantly with respect to the other types of contracts. Okay, notice that is correct. Notice how the amount of churn customers decrease significantly with respect to other types of contracts. Okay, let's see. We see that what the churn rate for month to month, those that are on a monthly contract is 46.29, which is the churn rate here. That is the overall churn rate. And the number of customers at 3,000. Total number of customers on a month to month basis contract type is 3,411 and almost more than half churned, close to half. But if you look at this contract type alone, this is pretty low, and this contract type 2.78%. That means on a month those are on a month to month contract type are more likely to churn for data label. That's interesting. Okay, let me just save this real quick. That's interesting. So you actually build a single dashboard. This is focused on the churn rates by the churn rate by churn category, by contract type, by churn reason, and states with the highest churn rate. And that's the only information we have here. The only report we are building here. So we recommend you keep working on your own. So let's create a second page in your report that portrays insight about age, bucket, and groups. You will use the dynamic parameter from chapter 2 in combination with filter to make the report interactive. Oh, definitely we are starting. Let's see. Okay, we are just 30 minutes on the live stream. We're supposed to live stream for 1 hour, but since I'm just getting back, so we'll be stopping here today and we'll continue tomorrow to continue building our dashboard. So I'll just save from here. We build a report today. Let me just select the O visual back. As we are back to our normal visual here. Alright, so thanks for staying to the end of the live stream. So if you found value in this video, do support the channel by subscribing right now, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, do not forget to watch previous case study, the case study from day 12, so you understand where we are coming from before we started building this whole dashboard and how we came about these numbers. Also, do not forget to download the exercise files. Every exercise file data set you'll be using to practice along with me is linked under the YouTube description. Do make sure to download it. And do not forget to subscribe, comment, share, and let me know if you want another video entirely showing you how to go about this analysis apart from the live streaming or section of this video. I'll be happy to do that for you. As usual, I'll see you on day 16. We are back. We are fully settled down. We are back to consistently live streaming daily or every day, or back to daily live streaming as usual. All right for now, and I'll see you on day 16. Comment, like the video, support the channel, and subscribe, and I'll see you on day 16.